Kami na naman ang dapat mag-usap.
Paano ba yun, Alex?
Ba sa kanila, meron silang sintonado.
Sino sintonado?
I don't know, wala sa tono.
Iyo.
Ganon?
Ay,
Oo.
Porkit magaganda yung mga kasama, maganda na yung mga salita mo sa amin, mas mayaman pa rin kami.
Hindi, no? Dahil sa amin mapupunta mga babae ang yaman ni Papa. Okay?
Okay na, awat na. Pupwesto na kayo uli.
Oo.
Dahil bandmasters and players, sound check. Round 3 na.
Banda Okay, rock and roll to millions!
Mini Money Mo!
Sana mataas! Para maganda ang New Year ng mga girls. No!
Pwede!
Shoot hot shuffle! Sa kabilang banda, hits from foreign bands. Madali lang ito.
Sino kaya ang unang kakanta? Mga bandmasters, hawakan ng gitara ng mahigpit. Get set! Alabing!
Okay, nauna si Raymond. Sorry, Alex. Eto ang question mo, Mon. Ang hit single na ito ay mula sa Matchbox 20. Ang lyrics nito ay, I'm not crazy, I'm just a little A, unwell, or B, sick.
Unwell.
Siyempre, unwell ang sagot.
Tanungin ka namin ngayon mo kung play na kayo or ipapasa nyo.
We're gonna play.
Raymond, ipakilala mo muna kung sino ang huli mong pambato rito yung makakasiguro kayo sa panalo.
Ang huling pangbato namin dito sa Starstruck Boys ang multi-talented na si Seth.
Multi-talented, ha? Sige. Alex, ano nga?
Ha? Sige.
Kaganapan dyan.
Sorry, nag-meeting pa kami.
O, sinong kakanta?
Yung prinsesa namin, si Princess.
Okay, bandmasters, players, audience, eto na ang Banda Okay song number 3!
Staring at the ceiling again. The endless road shadows on my wall.
Seth.
All night, hearing voices telling me that I should get some sleep because tomorrow might be good for somebody.
Princess.
Hold on, I'm feeling like I'm heading to break down. I don't know where.
I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you can tell, but stay a while and maybe then you'll see a different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little impaired. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me and how I used to be. Me talking to myself in public, gouging pain from what I did.
Nako, tuloy mo na.
I can hear them whisper, and it makes me think there must be something wrong with me. I'm
Rapper?
old. Fight me! Oh my God!
Walang ginawa, no. Somehow I've lost my mind. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little impaired. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me and how I used to be. I've been talking in my sleep. Pretty soon they'll come to get me. Yet I'm taking me away.
Seth, your turn.
I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell right now. I know you can't tell, but stay a while and maybe then you'll see. Yes, different side.
I'm crazy, I'm just a little bit. I know right now it's okay, but soon you're gonna think of me and how you used to
A little unwell, yeah, how I used to be. Oh,
pira nila. Power Pop Truck Girls, you have 60,000 pesos. Fast Truck Rolling Boys, 60 kiyaw. Then, ibig sabihin, ang Power Pops Truck may 130,000 pesos. Marami yon. Pero
ang total ng Starstruck Rock and Roll Boys,
190,000 pesos!
So sila maglalaro sa 1-on-1-on-1.
At syempre sa ating mga bandmasters, Raymond and Alex, thank you so much for coming. Goodbye and take care.
Sama ng tingin. Sama ng tingin ni Alex.
O ano pa nga bang hintayin natin? Magsha-showdown na po sa kantahan sina Vero, Steven, and Sam.
So babalik na Banda Okay Rock and Roll 2 Million!
Sama na mga stars na ito na Jam-jamming na sa banda